Okay, I got this idea from Mikeus. He put some tubes on some terrain, so I wanted to try the same thing. I select all of my time-stamped bodies. You can see I got my selection color as pink here. Mostly so it'll stand out from the color that I have on the volcano-ish item. So the way that you timestamp these things is in body mode. If you hit the caps lock key, it'll put you into a mode where every single select will create a timestamp selection over here. I'll show you that in a little bit. But anyway, so we're going to go back and do select all. Then we're going to do tools, curve fitting, closed path. I'm going to make that 3 and I'm going to make that 250 and go. Alright, so here we got our kind of water slide thing. Probably could have used one more pylon over here to get it propped up. That would have been nice. Actually, why don't we go ahead and do that? I'm going to go delete. I'm going to go and duplicate. Free. Whoa. Not as easy to do this just using the viewport, but we'll try. Alright, so something like that. Okay, so now we're over here. We got to do delete all. Okay, and we're going to come back and we're going to go in body mode. We're going to hit that caps lock key, and now we select. Then it put one over here. Select. Now we got 2, 3. Okay, 14 of them. That sounds about right. Now the reason why we have to do this is because Wings does not guarantee the order of the selection at all. So we just put them in the selection groups. Anyway, now you can do close path again. Go back to 250 because I like it a little more dense and I like my pipe a little bit smaller. And I say okay. Now let's see. Yeah, so now we're getting it humps up over that instead of intersecting right through the mountain. Now if you're coming down the side of the mountain, you could have these vertical supports don't have to be vertical anymore. They could be kind of anchored in the mountain coming out at an angle, and the pipe would still be correctly supported by the strut coming out of the surface of the volcano, because the pipe is going through the centroids of these struts. That's how it's defined when you use bodies to determine your curve. You could also do that by picking vertices right on the surface, and then the pipe would be more on the ground. Thanks Mikeus for the idea of putting the pipe on. It's like a water slide world. I hope you enjoyed the show.